Jai Hind. Good morning, everyone. Myself Siddesh Bhavke, and I am going to address a crucial issue that is quite prevalent in our daily life. Every day, we read about dangerous accidents in the newspaper related to vehicles and roads. Road safety has been quite an issue for past few years. The number of accidents that occurs every year due to vehicle and not following traffic rule is quite alarming. Road accident statistics: more than 1.2 million people are killed in road accidents worldwide every year. 3 to 4% of gross national product is lost in road accident. One child is killed in road accident every 3 minutes in the world. Total worldwide death toll of tsunami of 2004 was about 2.3 lakh, but the annual worldwide death toll of road accident is 12 lakhs. Some alarming statistics for India. In India, 1.2 lakh people die and 12.7 lakhs sustain serious injuries every year in road traffic accidents. As per the statistics, there is one death on the Indian road every 6 minutes, and this is expected to escalate to one death every 3 minutes by 2020. Even this may be an underestimation, as according to the Institute of Road Traffic Education, New Delhi, out of the estimated 1.4 million serious road accidents or collisions occurring annually in India, hardly 0.4 million are recorded. Common causes of road accident: overspeeding, drunk driving, using mobile phones while driving, irresponsible driving, ignoring safety precautions, and not wearing of helmet and seat belts. Causes of poor road safety situation in India: poor traffic discipline and education, poorly designed and maintained road, poor level of enforcement, poor or primitive traffic management, mixed traffic, poor road condition, and unsafe structures. Lack of adequate traffic and temporary stop is the main reason for road accident. Here some road safety tips. Always obey the rule of the road. Don't enter traffic when intoxicated. Always wear your seat belt as a driver and as a passenger. Drive at a speed and following distance that will allow time and space to respond to emergencies. Do not assume safety, stay alert and non distracted while focusing on defensive driving. Do not assume others will drive safely, stay alert. Approach and proceed across intersection with caution. Do not keep driving when tired. Keep your vehicles in good condition. Only overtake when it is absolutely safe. Here's some safety rule for car. Always wear a seat belt. Avoid distraction. Never drink and drive. Always respect speed limit. Never jump a traffic signal. Maintain your car. Mandatory signs. These signs are used to inform road users to certain laws and regulations to provide safety and free flow of traffic. Steps to be taken for preventing road accident. 90% of accident can be avoided by strict enforcement of speed limit. Existing speed limit should be brought down further. Heavy penalty should be imposed on all those who cross speed limit. If this is strictly implemented, nobody will dare to go at high speed. Helmet should be made compulsory by law in every state. Ensure that the money recovered as a road tax is fully utilized for the construction and maintenance of roads. Key point to remember: maintain your vehicle in good condition. Always wear seat belt or helmet. Follow traffic rules and obey signs and signals. Be safe and defensive driver every day. know how to react on emergency situations. And here the conclusion. There is a need to undertake experimental studies on drunk and driving for correct assessment of traffic safety situation on Indian roads. Professionalism in driver training and advanced licensing system and some strict law will help to decrease the accidents. Vehicles GPS and GIS facilities with unique user ID will help to improve identification of vehicle involved in road accident. This point will be used to improve the current situation of road safety and management in India. And here a short video of our NSS volunteers spreading awareness about road safety.
आने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें
I am happy that you gave me a bit of your time to hear me. Thank you.